Introducing the UON-FED app. It's a comprehensive platform designed to cater for most of your basic university needs. Start by clicking on the app on your screen to reveal a captivating splash screen. Once you've landed on the homepage, select your cohort session, in this case third year, to access a collection of vital university sites, all consolidated in one location. SIMIS portal, Mtihani platform, Active Directory, among others. Try out the numerous features available. Simply double tap on courses to view the required units for your subject combination per academic semester. For instance, English literature for a third year linguistic major. You can see the courses offered for the first and second semester. The app also allows you to easily share interesting features with your friends and colleagues using different platforms by clicking on the share icon. Remember to keep your UON-FED app regularly updated to ensure you never miss out on the latest and most significant features. Thank you.